In this video, you'll learn how to fix errors automatically using the Windsurf application. This process involves a series of steps that will guide you through accessing various features within the app to resolve any issues efficiently. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your computer. Locate the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click it to launch the program. Ensure that the application fully loads before proceeding to the next step. Next, direct your attention to the main menu of the application. Look for the option labeled Editor and click on it. This will open the editing interface where you can view and manage your code. After that, navigate to the Explorer section by clicking on the corresponding button in the sidebar. This area allows you to browse through your project files and folders, making it easier to identify the source of any errors. Once you are in the Explorer view, locate and click on the search option. This feature enables you to search for specific code snippets or errors within your project, which is crucial for troubleshooting. Now proceed to click on Code Maps. This tool provides a visual representation of your code structure, helping you understand how different components interact with each other and where errors may occur. Following that, select Run and Debug from the menu. This action initiates the debugging process, allowing the application to analyze your code for potential issues and identify any errors that need to be fixed. Next, click on Cascade Code. This feature organizes your code in a way that highlights errors and warnings, making it easier for you to address them effectively. At this point, type in the command fix all the error on this app into the designated input field. This command instructs the application to automatically search for and repair any identified errors within your project. After entering the command, wait for Windsurf to process your request. This may take a moment depending on the complexity of your project and the number of errors present. Be patient while the application completes this step. Finally, click on the Run button to execute your project with the corrections applied. This will allow you to see if the errors have been successfully resolved and if the application is functioning as intended. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.